What's up, guys? My name is Professor Holy Rock, and I want to show you how to make money using NFT. There is this NFT site, NFT blockchain, that you don't need to put your money at all, any physical money. You don't need to. I want to show you how to navigate the site. Many people have been asking what to do, and all that. So I am on this site. Now, this is the site. Okay, now when you come here, just watch. Okay, let me get the icon. So that I can show you. Let me get the brush. So I can just hold on. Let me get the brush. So that, okay, the brush is there. The brush is there. Where is that brush hiding now? Okay, here we go. So when you enter the site, once you're on this NFT blockchain.mobile or mobi, you see this place, you see this place. If you click, when you click here, see, it will take you, just watch, it will take you to, now when you want to spin, it will take you to this place. Let me just show you how this place, all these ones, don't bother, you don't really have, but you can study them. You see this place that it says go to free, this place, you click it, go to free, you click it, this is where you will spin. Okay, then you scroll up. Now I just pinned some minutes ago before I began to do this video. So I'll have to wait for 1 hour, and when I spin, it gave me 0.05, so which is what you see here. You see it here, 0.05. So I have to wait after 1 hour. See the other one I spinned gave me 0.5. So but I'm looking at it. So sometimes when I spin it gives me this it it gives me this. Okay, so but I'm looking at it giving me you, but you just spin. Okay, you just spin. So that is that. So now let's now go to this place. Let's go here. So I click there. Now you see on this place I'm on the pro plan. You see here the pro plan, pro. Now this place, let me even show you what it means. So click on that place where you see status pro. Let me just, I don't want this video to be too long, but let's go. So you see this is the free plan. You can read. If I want to explain all these things, I will take too long, but you see from here, from here from here to this place, is the same. Now, but that's not the plan I am in this video. I'm on this place. You see it? This place, the pro plan. Now, scroll. You see, withdrawal limit is this one. The withdrawal limit is 500 NFT. That is when I get to 500 NFT, I can withdraw, and that is almost 500,000 naira or dollars. Now, daily daily spin, I have to spin 6 times. So that's what this thing is. So daily referral, you can only refer 3 persons in a day. Even if you send 200 persons and they all click that day, only 3 will be sent or will joined to you. The rest will be coming in the next day, and the next day, and the next day. That's how it will be coming in. Hope you understand it. Now, if you don't, just watch again, you will understand. Okay? So let's move. You can see here it says activated. So this is the plan I am there now. So there's another one called Pro Plus. Now to do this, to get to Pro Plus, you need to have 100 NFTs. You need to have 100 NFTs. See what is showing there. Now let me show you what is. Now in this place now it's only 18 NFTs. So with this you cannot upgrade to the Pro Plus unless you have 100. In fact, even with 100 itself, you won't even be able to upgrade unless you have 120 or 30. You can now upgrade and you will still have some NFTs. Although it is showing you, let me go there again to the, I clicked on this place. Let me show you. Let me go. So this is where I clicked. Okay. I was here before. I want to show you how where I touched. So I want to go to that place again now. I'll click here. This is where I clicked. Now I click there. Now this is where you see the Pro. What you see here is the plan you are on or in. So I want to click on that Pro Plus again so I can show you everything there. I click on the Pro Plus. So I want to show you the status there. So I scroll to the, so you see this one says activated. That's the one you are or I am now. So depending on where you are. So to go to this Pro Plus, you need to have 100 plus NFTs, and when you have that, if you want to upgrade, you click here. It will say, then it will buy using not your own physical money, using the money you have spent, and it will, if it is successful, it will go and it will be showing you activated. Okay, activated is what it, once it is showing activated like this, it is, that is the plan you are on. Okay, you see it, and then that's what will be now be showing here. Pro Plus, not no more Pro, no more Pro. Okay, now the same thing. Oh, sorry, let me go to that place again. I click here again to get to the, I want to show, I click here again the Pro Plus, that is, or the status. So you see it now. This is the business plan. The withdrawal limit now is 100. So the higher you go, the lesser you will have the NFT to withdraw. This one is 10,000 NFTs. If you have that, you just go here and click it. I think so. It's a choice. Okay. So I've shown you all this one. So let me so click again. Now you see free NFTs. It's free NFT. Invite friends. If you want to invite somebody, you come here, click on invite friends or friend, and you get your referral link. So this is your own referral. So you just click here and say copy. So it will copy this for you, which is your referral link, and you can use it to send to your friends. Okay, now that is that. So let me click again. Withdrawal. You can see withdrawal. You click there. When you want to withdraw, you click there. And I love this. When I want to withdraw, I will just come here. First of all, I click the arrow and I will use this. I will use USDT. Let me show you. You see it. TRC20. That's the one I will use, or I'm using. So some people would like to use Bitcoin, Pioneer, PayPal, anyone want to use, but me, you see that I use, well, that Bitcoin or Ethereum, but I will prefer to use USDT TRC20. Okay, now after that, that's when you want to withdraw, when you have reached. So then you go to your Binance, you copy your USDT or Bitcoin address or whatever address. Once you have changed, look, let's say I want to use the USDT TRC, I'll click it. Then I'll paste my address here. Okay, I'll paste my address here, and then the plan I am now, I have to get 500 NFTs. So when I have that, I will just type in here 500, or of course I wouldn't want to even put only 500. If my limit is 500, I have to put 550 or even 600, just to avoid any, just to make sure I have enough, so that any charges they want to charge. But if you feel you still want to do it with only 500, no problem. If it goes, fine, okay, for you. So you click on confirm, and you see it go. So that's how to withdraw. Okay, so I've shown you that. Let me, so status, of course, this one too is this one. This one is this one is this. Okay, so we also have mining. If you want to mine, you go there, you click on mine. Let me click on mine. You go there and mine. But me, I would just say just be spinning. But some people will mine. Okay, they will mine. So let me not make this video too long. Okay, so let me just move. So, or you stake or all that. So if you want to send to somebody, this is what you do. To send, you click on the send icon. If you want to receive, somebody want to send it to you, this one, let me click on the receive. I click on receive, it will open. Okay, it will open. So I copy my wallet address, this one, this address, I copy it, and I send it to it is copied already. I send it to the person that want to send me NFT, and the person will send it, and it will reflect. Now I have, how many NFTs do I have here now? I think 18. Let's say the person want to send me 500. I send to the person. The person will send it, and it will now reflect here. If the person sends 500, it will not be, or I send, it will not be 518 NFTs, then plus these ones too. So I don't want to add that. So that's how to navigate. So what I have to do is to spin. Okay, to spin is very easy. You come here, this place, this where you see the NFT, you click there, there's that NFT, you click there, and you click go to free. You see go to free, you click on go to free, and you check if your 1 hour has expired, so you can spin again, and you scroll up. Mine is still remaining 42 minutes before I can spin again. So once it is time, it will be showing me spin here, and I will spin. Okay, and it will reflect up here. Okay, it will reflect here. So please, I think with these few points of mine, I've been able to show you how to navigate this site. Okay, so if you want me to do any other video on anything that you don't understand, ask me. Okay, comment on my YouTube, and I will do a video on that because of your question and explain to you. Okay, all right. So my name is Professor Olerok. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment your question, I will answer you. Okay, thank you for subscribing. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, okay, so that you see my next video. Thank you, Professor Olerok. All right.